Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Porsche has next for making significant change during car facelift, and the updated 992 chassis 911 is no exception. The big news for 2025 is that the 911 is going hybrid. The new Carrera GTS model combines the iconic rear-mounted flat-six engine with an electric motor and electric turbocharger, resulting in an impressive 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. This model is expected to be available by the end of the year. The Carrera GTS features a new 3.6-liter flat-six engine, replacing the previous 3.0-liter unit, which will still be used in other 911 models. This new engine alone produces 478 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, a slight increase over the previous GTS engine. The hybrid system allows Porsche to replace the twin-turbo setup with a single electric turbocharger. This electric turbocharger, powered by an 11 kW motor, can quickly spin up for fast response, significantly reducing turbo lag while also recharging the 400-volt battery. Additionally, a 32.6 horsepower traction motor is positioned between the flat-six engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Both components are powered by a small 1.9 kWh battery located under the front hood, where the 12-volt battery is usually found in other 911 models. The 12-volt battery is relocated to a compartment behind the rear partial shelf. This powertrain is designed to enhance performance across the rev range, while maintaining an optimal air-fuel ratio of 14.7 to 1 almost all the time. For a more detailed explanation of the T-hybrid system, you can read more here. Overall, the new Carrera GTS is 103 pounds heavier than its predecessor due to additional standard features, including rear-wheel steering, but the increased power more than makes up for it. It is the first 911 Carrera model to achieve a sub-3-second 0 to 60 mph time with a 2.9-second sprint. Besides the T-hybrid system, the Carrera GTS also boasts new active aerodynamic flap at the front to improve cooling without increasing drag. The front and rear fascias has been slightly redesigned. New wheel options are available, and the rear tires are now 10 mm wider at a 315/30 ZR21, while the front tires remain at 245/35 ZR20. Inside, the most notable change is the introduction of an all-digital gauge cluster, replacing the analog tachometer. However, the digital cluster still prominently displays the tachometer, keeping the 911 tradition. The best Carrera model also received updates for 2025, incorporating the turbos and intercooler from the previous GTS and turbo models. There is a 9 horsepower increase. Torque remains the same at 331 pound-feet. The same facelift change applied to the best Carrera, but the facets differ from those of the GTS and lack the active cooling flaps. For 2025, only the best Carrera and Carrera GTS model have been facelifted, with more to follow. The best Carrera will be available as a rear-wheel drive coupe or cabriolet, while the GTS will come in a rear or all-wheel drive coupe or cabriolet, or as an all-wheel drive Targa. The Turbo S and GT3 RS model will continue into 2025 as well. Prices have increased across the board, with the best Carrera rising from $116,050 to $122,095, and the GTS increasing from $152,550 to $166,895. These price jumps are significant, but Porsche emphasized to add performance and standard feature, especially on the GTS. Facelifted 992 Carrera should arrive at dealership this fall, with the Carrera GTS arriving closer to the end of the year. Expect the 992.2 range to expand with many more models, both hybrid and otherwise, in the near future.